All right, how's it going, everybody? I want to do a quick video about some mirrors, the side mirrors for the X3. I've had these mirrors from Rocky Mountain ATV since I've had the machine. I had those on my old machine. Really like them. They seem to be doing well. They don't shake. They fold in when you hit stuff. The only, there's a few things I do not like about them, but so far so good. What I wanted to try though, just, over the couple things that I wasn't wild about, I wanted to try some of the new mirrors that kind of mount in the Can-Am factory location. So I picked these up off of Amazon from, I believe it's A UTV Pro. I'll put a link in the description. I've got a buddy that's got the actual Can-Am mirrors, and then my brother-in-law's machine, which we're working on. We're doing the gusset kit and stuff like that, or gonna do. He has, I believe, Kimimoto mirrors like these. So they all look exactly the same. They probably come from the exact same place, manufacturer-wise, from Can-Am, Kimimoto, these, all that. So these right here on Amazon, I think they're like 39 bucks. So you can't hardly beat that. I just wanted to pick some up since they are kind of inexpensive and see which ones I kind of like the best. So what I'm going to do, we're going on a ride next weekend, and I'm going to leave both of them on so it looks a little kind of stupid for now. And I'm going to see which one I look at the most, which one I prefer, stuff like that. So maybe ride one day and then take them off. They're super, the top ones and these, really easy to install. They come like this, and the packaging from the A UTV Pro was really nice. I mean, it's good styrofoam. They're set down in there nicely, and it comes with both mirrors and the bolts to mount them on. So you've got the mirror comes, and then there's two holes here, of course, super easy, and it comes with bolts. You just stick that through there, tighten them up, you're good to go, and then you adjust it. So once you click it, your top adjustment is basically how they fold in. So they kind of click to fold in when you hit stuff. And then the mirror adjustment, so what you do is you get your, you put it in there, get your mirror right. This just pops off, and then there's a bolt with a nut on it, and you just tighten that down once you get your mirror correctly. It might be a little easier to get you some help, so you sit in it, and then the person on the side can adjust it up, down, in or out, or whatnot once you get the outside done. And then you just tighten this nut. I believe it's 10 millimeter if I'm not mistaken. I've already fixed it. I've already tightened it and everything though. And then you just tighten that down till where it's kind of snug, but it will still fold in. Cool thing is, once they fold in, unlike these, you got to kind of push it back out and then kind of ease in and out and get it back right. This is just, click, click. You just put it where it's in a groove. So it's pretty easy to get back to where you need it to be. And hopefully the mirror part of it doesn't move and shake. These do not, so hardly at all. So that's one thing I like. Now the thing I probably wasn't wild about is getting in and out with these mirrors. Driver's side, not so bad. Passenger side, I rode with my buddy one time, and I was like, I'm gonna knock my teeth out on these things. But driver's side, I don't think it's gonna be that bad. It doesn't feel like it. I've gotten in and out of it a few times with them on there. So, but anyway, that's about the only really negative that I can see. Being up there kind of makes it, I don't know, that the view's a little bit different angle. The ones down there, you can kind of see down the side of the machine. The only thing about the ones on the bottom, it kind of blocks out, the roll cage blocks out a little top left corner of that mirror when you're in the driver's seat. And then over here, I like it because you can see down the side like that. It's a pretty good size. And this seems a little smaller, which, maybe not too bad. But the one thing I do not like about this is a blind spot. So when you're driving, that's a pretty big blind spot right here. Which is not, I'm used to it now, but I figured I'd give these a try just to see which ones I like the best, and then leave those on there and take the other ones off and save them if I ever break them or something like that, if I need to put them back on. These go on pretty easy, just a little strap that goes around there and you just tighten it up. A little more of a pain in the butt to adjust, but you got to get it just right the first time. But then they kind of twist up and down, in and out. So as far as that's concerned, it's easy. You just got to get that first initial turn correct. And after that, they're good to go. I mean, these have been 20 bucks, I think, from Rocky Mountain ATV. And we'll also put a link there just in case you want to grab those, pick those up. But they've been really good mirrors so far. I use my side mirrors a lot, trying to keep up with what's behind me and stuff like that. People usually in the, behind and stuff like that. So hardly ever use the rear view mirror. It's kind of useless in the X3, I think, the rear view mirror. That's why I've got the camera to help when backing up. But side mirrors I think they're super important. But I'll do another video, kind of a review on which one I preferred. Good and bad of both, if I didn't like something about the new ones or whatnot. So again, guys, if you're into this kind of stuff and if you have an X3, you have a side-by-side, or you like to ride, you like to watch rides, like to fix stuff, work on stuff, add accessories, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.